Alright, this is the cabin filter on a 2000 GMC Sierra. I don't believe this has ever been done. 289,000 miles. Using a 7/32 socket, and I didn't find my 1/4-inch ratchet in time, so I'm just doing it by hand. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. Oh. I'm afraid to even pull this thing out right now. I gotta get my vacuum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 289,000 miles. This thing has never been changed, I guarantee it. I got the truck with 115. That's one. And here's the second one. You just see all that stuff coming out. Oh man. Oh yeah. Holy shit. I gotta get my vacuum. Oh. Alright, these are the ones that are going back in. Pretty self-explanatory. 289,000 miles. Just in case you don't believe me.